Chris Bassett here, and I'll be showing you how to return your Amazon packages from a mobile device. Let's get into it. Go ahead and open up Amazon. You can either use the app or the web browser. I usually just punch in Amazon.com, and in the upper right-hand corner, you can log into your account if you're not logged on. I'm already logged in, but go ahead and scroll down to where it says Your Orders. Here you can track and manage your orders. This will be the menu where you can start your returns. Keep in mind, most Amazon orders have a 30-day return policy, so if you're past the 30 days, you won't be able to return it. But here I've got some fertilizer that I'll be returning that I no longer need. Just go ahead and click on the item you want to return and select the return or replace option. It'll ask you why you want to return it. Select one of the options. Doesn't really matter. I usually just say I no longer need it. And then if you scroll down to the bottom, it'll say add more items to this return. So you can return multiple items on one return order. I selected the no longer needed option, and then it'll prompt me to enter a description as to why it's no longer needed. So I just repeat myself. I say, don't need it anymore. Now, obviously, if it was defective or broken or, enter up that information. Be honest as to why you're returning it. It'll help Amazon either properly rank poor sellers or take that item out of service. And then here I'm adding the second item to be returned. That way it's a 2-for-1. Return, same process. After you click on the return option, it'll ask you why. When you're all finished returning stuff, go ahead and hit continue. It'll then ask you how you can make it right. So you either want it to be refunded to your Amazon account or directly to the original payment method, which was my credit card. So I'd rather have it go back to my credit card. After that, go ahead and hit continue, and then it'll bring up where you want to return the items to. So there is a UPS drop-off store nearby. You can also choose a drop-off location, and it'll show you all the drop-offs that are in your area. Go ahead and read the information below. It'll tell you exactly what you need to do. So there are some drop-off locations where you don't need to box it up. You can just bring them the items, and it'll be free, and they will package it and ship it off. There's an option for a drop-off where you'll need a box and a label. You'll need to print that label. And there's also an option for UPS pickup where they will pick it up from your house. Keep in mind these options are highly location dependent, so the options will be unique to you. So I chose the choose location option, and it brought up the map. It shows all the nearest locations. I'm kind of out of town, so in order for me to return for free, the UPS store, I need to drive like 45 minutes. So that's an option. You can also purchase a label and have Amazon mail it to you for $1, which is generally what I do. It'll come in the mail, then I'll just slap the label on the box, tape it up, and then set it outside for them to pick up. Once you're done, choose your drop-off location, and then it'll just say confirm your return. And there you go. It'll give you some time. Usually it's about a month. You need to have that returned by in order to get the refund. They will then email you a code or instructions, so make sure you save that email because you'll need to show it to the employee in the store when you return it. Scroll down to see instructions, but go ahead and return to the location of the store. Show the merchant that return code. They'll scan the QR code and then pack up and ship your returns. Check out some other videos over here. I've got some hot links down in the description. Check those out. Any other questions or comments, put those below. Thanks.